This might be the smartest small camper ever made. It's compact, efficient, and somehow fits everything you need to live on the road. This is the AtoZ ACE-C, and it's one of the smartest compact campers you'll ever see. From the outside, the first thing that stands out is how compact it really is. At just about 3.7 meters long, 1.8 meters wide, and 2.5 meters tall, this thing is barely bigger than a regular K truck, yet it carries a full camper shell on the back. It's built on the Mazda Scrum truck chassis, powered by a tiny 660cc three-cylinder engine, but this vehicle isn't about speed. It's about efficiency, access, and going places bigger RVs simply can't. And that's where it gets interesting. The turning radius is just 3.6 meters. That's insanely tight. And for safety, there's a high-mount stop lamp along with a rear-view camera, which makes parking and reversing much easier, especially in tight spots where visibility is limited. Step inside, and this is where things get really impressive. Because somehow, within this tiny footprint, they've managed to create a space that can comfortably sleep for adults. Above the cab, you get a large bunk bed measuring about 2,000 millimeters by 1,600 millimeters. That's a proper sleeping area, not some cramped loft. Two adults can easily sleep here without feeling restricted. It's positioned in a way that maximizes space without interfering with the rest of the cabin. Then you've got the main living area, which features an L-shaped dinette. This isn't just seating, it converts into another bed, measuring around 2,000 millimeters by 1,200 millimeters. So that's your second sleeping area, giving you a total capacity of 4 people. During the day, this space functions as your lounge and dining area. The table is detachable, so you can adjust the layout depending on what you need, eating, relaxing, or working. It's simple, but it works. On the kitchen side, you get a compact but functional setup. There's a 49-liter 12V refrigerator, which is more than enough for short trips or even longer stays if you manage your supplies well. Next to it is a stainless steel sink with a pull-out shower faucet, giving you flexibility for washing dishes or even rinsing things outside if needed. Water storage is handled by 12-liter fresh and waste tanks, neatly integrated into the kitchen cabinet. It's not massive, but it's practical for a camper of this size. You're not meant to stay off-grid for weeks, but for weekend trips or short adventures, it's perfectly adequate. Storage is surprisingly decent. You get overhead cabinets and base compartments throughout the cabin, allowing you to organize your gear without turning the space into a mess. Again, everything is designed to maximize efficiency. Now let's talk about the systems that make this camper actually livable. There's a centralized control panel where you can manage lighting, power, and all auxiliary systems. Instead of scattered switches everywhere, everything is in one place, making it easy to control the entire setup. Power comes from a 105A deep cycle sub-battery, which charges while you drive and can also be connected to external AC power when you're parked at a campsite. This gives you flexibility. You're not completely dependent on one power source. And for summer, there's an optional 12V air conditioning system. That's a big deal in a camper this size because staying comfortable in extreme temperatures is usually one of the biggest challenges. What really makes this camper stand out isn't just the features, it's how everything comes together. Nothing feels wasted. Every inch of space is used intelligently. It's not trying to compete with large luxury motorhomes. It's solving a completely different problem: how to travel, sleep, and live comfortably in the smallest possible space. And that's exactly what it delivers. A compact, efficient, surprisingly spacious camper that can go almost anywhere, park almost anywhere, and still give you everything you need for a proper camping experience. You also get double-pane acrylic windows all around. These aren't just basic windows. They come with built-in insect screens and blackout shades. So you get ventilation, privacy, and insulation all in one system. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference when you're actually living inside the camper. It's built for real-world usability, not just highways and open roads. The body itself is made from high-insulation FRP fiber reinforced plastic, which helps keep the weight down while improving thermal insulation. That means better temperature control inside, whether it's hot or cold outside. And despite its small size, the build quality doesn't feel cheap or compromised. Everything is designed with purpose. Up top, there's a roof ventilator to keep airflow moving through the cabin, especially important in such a compact space. The front cab isn't ignored either. You still get original reclining seats with armrests for both driver and passenger, making long drives more comfortable. It feels like a proper vehicle, not just a stripped-down utility truck. There's also another version called the ACCB. The main difference is the layout. It has a rear entrance instead of a side entrance, and a face-to-face dinette instead of the L-shaped one. So depending on how you prefer to use your space, you've got options. What makes the AtoZ ACE-C stand out isn't just that it's small, it's how aggressively it uses every inch of space without feeling cramped or impractical. The entire camper is built around efficiency, starting with the cab-over design that turns the area above the driver into a full-size sleeping space instead of wasted air. That instantly frees up the rest of the interior, allowing for a proper living area, a functional kitchen, and enough storage to actually travel, not just survive. The L-shaped dinette isn't just seating, it's a flexible zone that shifts between dining, relaxing, and sleeping without needing complicated setups. Even the kitchen is positioned in a way that doesn't block movement, so you're never fighting the layout. And then you add the essentials: a real refrigerator, water system, centralized controls, and optional heating and cooling, and it stops feeling like a small camper and starts feeling like a complete one. Every feature has a clear purpose. Nothing is oversized, nothing is wasted, and that's exactly why it works so well in the real world. From the outside, the AtoZ ACE-C looks simple, but every detail is built with purpose. The compact cab-over shape isn't just for style. It shortens the overall length while still creating more usable space inside, which is why it can stay under 3.7 meters and still function like a full camper. The high-insulation FRP body keeps the structure lightweight while helping regulate temperature, so it doesn't heat up or lose warmth as quickly as basic metal builds. The double-pane acrylic windows add another layer of insulation, while also giving you built-in insect screens and blackout shades without any extra setup. Along the side, the center entrance with a screen door makes access quick and practical, especially in tight parking spots where rear entry would be inconvenient. It's not about size. It's about smart design. And the AtoZ ACE-C proves that you don't need a massive RV to have a complete camper lifestyle. If a camper like this can fit 4 people, a full kitchen, and still drive through streets where normal vans struggle, it really changes how you think about space and travel. This isn't about size. It's about how intelligently every inch is used. If you want more unique camper vans, tiny RVs, and smart travel builds like this, subscribe and stick around. There's a lot more coming.